Hey, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Maya, and today I'm gonna, again, do my fucking makeup. I want to do more of a glam kind of vibe. I'm thinking about doing just a typical like smoky cat eye, and that's the crux of it. That's kind of all you need to know right now. If you are new, welcome. If you're not new, thanks for coming back. I appreciate you either way. So yeah, I guess let's just jump right in. Let's jump right in, let's dive right in, let's circle right through. I'm going to put my hair back in my little cool girl clips, and we're gonna get this show on the road. I hope everyone's staying safe and healthy, I guess, right? I'm gonna do my makeup for you. Do yours along with me if you want. That would be kind of cool for you. I don't know. So I'm gonna start out by priming my face. Today am gonna use 3 primers because I'm fucking extra and a little high maintenance. First, I will be using the Bioderma Anti-Redness Care. I've used this before, love it. Great for people with redness, rosacea. Primer 1 done. Primer 2, the Dr. Jart Cica Repair Color Correcting Treatment. 2 color correctors right in a row. Jeez, girl, get it together. I have it together. That's why I'm using 2 color correctors. This was like all sold out everywhere when I was like trying to buy it for myself, and I just happened to find it at TJ Maxx in like a kit of other Dr. Jart shit. And so naturally, I bought the entire kit just for that one product. Who wouldn't? And it was worth it. It's really worth it. It really helps tone down my hyperpigmentation, as you will see soon. And when you are somebody with acne, scars, and dark marks, and this might really help you too. So I suggest trying it, even though I don't know if it's still sold out or not, but. Okay, and then I'm going to take half a pump of my Glossier Future Dew, because this is a bit of a dewier finish, the Dr. Jart Color Corrector. And I'm gonna try and just keep this on the outer part of my face, like not here, but more on my cheeks. Now I'm going to just put on some concealer over top my hyperpigmentation, blemishes. Got a problem? Talk it out. Work together, don't scream and shout. Who remembers that vine? Wow, that just came out of the depths of my brain. Oh, don't you love when that happens? Honestly, if I tell you what you wanna know, love, there ain't no other, no. Face is looking white? Oh no, don't worry, we'll fix it. While I'm thinking about it, I'm gonna put on a little lip balm. This is the Smith's Rosebud and Mandarin lip balm. Love this stuff. For foundation, I am using the Maybelline Super Stay 24-hour shit. I'm just gonna really look. Oh no, look at what happened. This always happens when I do my makeup, like just random black eyeshadow. And sometimes if I don't notice it, then I'll be putting on product with my hands and fucking get black shit all over my face. We're going glam today, guys. So this is full coverage, okay? Modify it to your needs. Know what I mean? So meaning if you don't have a lot of hyperpigmentation or problem areas with your skin, don't use as much makeup, you know? This is all just suggestive. That's not the right word. Okay, and then I'm gonna take the concealer again and do my under eyes. And I also use this as my eye primer because it works. Oh, my nose just dripped a lot of snot, and like I sniffed right when it, so it like, That was really convenient. And then just because I can and I want to, I'm gonna touch up a little bit of spot concealing. On my chin, I have some cutesy wootsy stuff going on. Okay, now using your powder of choice, or not, I'm gonna set my under eyes. You don't have to if you don't wanna. I'm using the Laura Mercier translucent powder. And I'm also setting my eyelids because I put concealer on them. And when you set your eyelids, before you put on your eyeshadow, it makes a nice powdery smooth base for blending. And to set, might I suggest tapping instead of rubbing, because then the product, when you rub the brush over top of it, it slides around a little bit, especially with the super dewy base that we put on, that Future Dew. Astonishing, crazy, out of this world. Okay, I'm gonna do my eyebrows off camera because it's none of your business how I do it. No, I'm just kidding. Well, yeah, I mean, really none of this is your business. I'm making it your business, but I just, eyebrows, nah, ugh, you know. So I'm gonna do them and then come back and then they'll be done. Done. And I know I said it wasn't your business, in case you wanted to know. For my eyebrows, I use the Anastasia Brow Definer and then the Glossier Boy Brow in Blonde. That's done. Let's get into the fun part. The eyeshadow, the eyeshadow, the eyeshadow. Wow, you are weird. I've used this palette in probably the last million videos, but it's a MAC 9 palette eyeshadow. This is like the warm neutral one. And if you don't, like, I'm sure if you're watching this, you probably do have your own like go-to neutral palette. If it happens that you don't have what is that? Oh my God, that's my ear. I was like, is there something in my hair? If you don't have like a good neutral palette or you're looking for one, I suggest this MAC one. It's all matte and it just has a good range of shades and it works just fine. So I'm gonna start by taking like this middle top and very messily putting this all over. Oh, that like totally wasn't the color that I wanted to use. I actually want to use like more cool shades and I wasn't even fucking thinking because I don't even exist, so like I don't think, you know? But I'm gonna take actually this one and do the same thing. I'm gonna take this gray looking shade right here. I'm taking this grayish shade and lining my upper eyelid and winging it out. Nothing too crazy. And also just like putting this on my eyelid. That's basically what I did. I just put it on my eyelid. And then just to make sure everything's nice and blended, take the first brush, no additional product or anything, and blend. The bang! The bang! Levels to this shit, baby. So we're getting darker now. I'm literally moving my way down and over. So taking the bottom middle shade. Think like you're making like a cat eye eyeliner with your eyeshadow, but just super sloppy. Like you want it to look messy. I want to look grungy. I want to look kind of dirty. That doesn't look even to me. Does that look even to you? Does it matter? No, nothing matters. But that's a good thing, you know, like that's like, when I say nothing matters, I see it as a good thing. But if you don't see it as a good thing, then everything matters and make it even, but I'm not gonna. With a pointed blendy brush, no product or anything, really lightly circular blending motions. I'm gonna take this Chanel eyeshadow pencil and I'm just tracing, going over that same corner thing that we were making. And then I'm gonna line my waterline with this. I'm gonna take the same like type of brush that I was putting on the dark brown charcoal-y shade with and blend out the eyeshadow pencil. Now I'm taking a small brush with the same shape, like that pointy triangle on the eye, just, you know, tracing the natural shape of your eye. Off camera, I'm gonna put on some eyeliner, maybe wing it out a touch, but really just tracing over that shape that we created. And then I'm also gonna put on mascara and then I'll finish the rest of my face and we'll be done. Okay, so this is like the finished eye look. So I'm looking nice and insanely pale. So I'm gonna bronze up mi cara. I have rediscovered this palette, the Wet n Wild contour palette, and it's phenomenal. Okay, so I forgot to tell you. For my eyeliner, I use the Glossier Pro Tip eyeliner. And for my mascara, I use the Benefit Roller Lash. In case you were curious, everything will be linked in the description box below. This looks good. I'll use this one. This is, I got from my Ipsy bag. The brand is Manna Kadar Beauty. It's like a sparkly reddish blush. You can see there's some sort of sheen to it. I always look at it and I'm like, blue undertones. I like this blush. I see purpley undertones. I'm gonna really go hard with this. I'm a big blush girl. Blush belongs everywhere on your face. Wow, I look really good right now. Sorry. And last but not least, lips. This is my lip combo that I'm gonna use. First, I'll line my lips and fill them in with the NYX lip liner in the shade Nude Beige. Before I do that, I'm gonna add a little extra lip balm because, I don't know, I just like the way that the lip liner applies on top of a lip balm. I'm with this complexion. Complexion don't mean a thing. I'm of course gonna overline my lips just a little bit. Why not? Like, it's the age of Aquarius, you know, I'm gonna do what I wanna do. Don't be afraid to be cringy. Don't judge yourself for being cringy. I'm always like so critical of myself, especially like my online presence. When I'm like being kind of corny, I'm like, damn it, you sound dumb. Like, I'm cringing at you. But honestly, some of my best moments have come from being cringy. I don't know how to explain it. Yeah, so I'm gonna overline my lips a little bit. If I can find it, I am going to insert a picture of myself in, I want to say 10th grade. This was when Kylie Jenner, maybe she already had her lip injections, but she was still riding off of the fact that like she only overlined her lips. This was also when MAC Velvet Teddy and Whirl lip liner was like her lip combo and everybody wanted it and I got it and I was so excited. I overlined my lips something fucking crazy when I would go to school. I can't believe I didn't get made fun of. Maybe I did. Who cares? I don't know about it and I still don't know and I don't want to know. But the picture's funny. I thought it looked really good at the time, but I just look like a swollen duck. I'm gonna use the NYX Butter Gloss. This is the shade Madeline. This is the finished look. What do you think? Yes, no, maybe so? Personally, yes. Okay, this is the finished makeup look. What do you think? I hope you enjoyed it. If I would be going to a holiday party, or if I happen to feel like wanting to do my makeup extra glam, this is usually what I like to do. This is what I would do. It's really easy, honestly. It's nothing that tricky. You just keep going darker and darker and darker, like levels to the shit, baby. Thank you so much for watching. If you watched to the end, you're a rare one. If you won, you should subscribe. I would love to have you. I would love to have you. And if you don't subscribe, that sounds like a you problem. Well, really it sounds like a me problem, because I would like to be monetized on YouTube. I have about less than 2,000 watch hours left to be monetized. I'm already at 1,000 subscribers. By the way, what the fuck? What the fuck? Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, thank you. There are 1,000 of you. That's insane to me, because, you know, if I put 1,000 people in my bedroom right now, we wouldn't fit. We're gonna blow the roof off this place. Anyways, thank you. That's like really, really cool and kind, and makes me feel like I have a purpose. Makes me feel like I have a purpose. So thanks for that. So if you liked this, subscribe please. Please, not please. And like the video, comment, tell me what's on your mind. Follow me on Instagram. I don't know, like Twitter for me is my personal like word vomit brain dump. I love to tweet, delete, repeat. So maybe don't follow me on there. It gets weird, gets intense sometimes. So, but you know, definitely follow me on Instagram and like the video, whatever. Show me your holiday makeup looks. Doesn't have to be this one, can be anyone. So tag me. Have a safe and happy and like somewhat isolated holiday season. Just be safe, be kind, spread joy, spread love, and focus on yourself and, you know, what you want to do in the world, and make it happen. You guys are cool. Peace out. I'll catch you bitches later.